I'm Dhruvi from Divine Yoga. In regards to the situation that is going on right now, fear and uncertainty are hovering in the air, becoming the root cause of our stress. When we are stressed, our bodies release cortisol and adrenaline that weaken our immune system. So what to do? The remedy is meditation. When we meditate, our bodies release oxytocin and serotonin that boosts immune system. You deserve to give your body the extra support it really needs. So come join me in De-Stress with Dhruvi Meditation series. Namaste. Welcome to De-Stress with Dhruvi. In this session, we will practice ancient yogic techniques that calms the mind. To a mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Take a moment to settle yourself into a comfortable resting position. Let's take a few slow, deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and out through the mouth. Inhale, hold, exhale, 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 now allow yourself to return to your natural breathing rhythm. Bring your attention on the area below the nostril, above the upper lip, observing the natural flow of breath. It's so much better to see things as they truly are, not as we have made them in our minds. Now guide your attention to the top of the head, top of the head. Observe any sensations that you may feel there. forehead, scanning the entire forehead. Eyes, cheeks, chin, bringing your attention to the jaw. Release any tightness in the jaw. Soften the area. Ears, throat, shoulders, right arm, hand to the tips of the right fingers. Left arm, hand to the tips of the left fingers. Chest, observing the rise and fall as you breathe in and out. Abdomen, back of the neck, releasing any tension in the cervical spine. Upper back, paying attention to the shoulder blades. And gliding down to the lower back, the lumbar area. Right leg, right foot, to the tips of the right toes. left leg, left foot, to the tips of the left toes. Now scan the entire body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Now take a deep inhale in and release any unwanted tightness out with the deep exhale. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Meditation decreases stress, lowers blood pressure, boosts immunity,